I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to configure a VPN profile on your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up our Settings app. Then we'll scroll down and we'll select General. Next, we'll scroll down and find the VPN and Device Management section and open that. Then we will select VPN here. Now, I have a Nord account set up already. What you're going to want to do to start this is click Add VPN Configuration. Now, you can do this specifically if you have all of this information from your VPN provider. It does take a bit to, understand all of this, and we're not going to walk through that specifically. But if you also have a VPN app on your phone, then once you use that VPN app, it will pop up a box that says, can we add a configuration to your VPN? You click yes. Then it will add a line item here, just like I have for NordVPN. Then all you have to do is to turn on the connected status, and then you can go to your app and select the location you want your VPN to be showing where you're coming from. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.